Hello students, till now we have discussed about power and energy signal of continuous time and discrete time signals. Now we have entered into the one more classification, causal and non-causal signals. A continuous time signal x of t is said to be causal signal if x of t equal to 0 for t less than 0. So x of t is equal to 0 for t less than 0 means for negative values of time there should not be signal. Only the causal signal does not exist for negative time. It will exist for only positive time. Example is u of t. Okay, u of t is a signal which exists only right hand side. For left hand side, that is t less than 0, the signal is 0. And what is anti-causal signal? Anti-causal signal is a signal which exists only negative values of time. That is u of minus t. U of minus t is a anti-causal signal. For t greater than 0, there is no signal. So the anti-causal signal does not exist for positive time. For positive time. Okay. Now one more signal will present, that is a signal which exists in positive as well as negative, is neither causal nor anti-causal, and that signal is known as non-causal signal. That is non-causal signal. And what is the example of non-causal signal? A signal which is neither causal signal nor anti-causal signal. Okay, then it is known as non-causal signal. Example, signum function. Okay, u of t minus u of minus t is a signum function having the magnitude 1 by 2 actually. So this is a signum function plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 if. Okay, so it is not a causal signal, it is not an anti-causal signal. Causal signal means there should not be signal in left hand side. Anti-causal signal means the signal should be 0 for right hand side. But these two signals are present. The signal is present between in positive values and in negative values. Then it is known as non-causal signal. Okay. Similarly for discrete time signal x of n. So x of n equal to 0 for n less than 0 is causal. X of n equal to 0 for n greater than 0, anti-causal. And what is non-causal? Non-causal signal is said to be a signal which is existing for positive values of time and negative values of time. Now we'll see one example. X of t is equal to e power 2t into u of t minus 1. Find which of the following signals is causal or non-causal. For example, first one, the signal x of t, it is causal signal because I am having the exponentially raising function is multiplied with u of t minus 1. U of t minus 1 is nothing but shifted version of unit impulse signal. So what is u of t? It is u of t. And what is u of t minus 1? It is u of t minus 1. So this is shifted version of unit step signal. The signal is existing in right hand side. Okay, t equal to 0. The signal u of t minus 1 present for t greater than 0. Magnitude 1. otherwise it is having the magnitude 0. Okay, so t greater than 0, like this, t greater than 0, the signal is existing. Okay, causal means the signal for the negative time values 0, for positive time values it should have some magnitude like this. So it is causal signal. Okay, next similarly, u of t plus 2 minus u of t minus 2. Tell me the signal is causal signal or non-causal signal. What is u of t plus 2? U of t is a right hand side signal and t is equal to minus 2. This is u of t plus 2. Next, what is u of t minus 2? This is u of t minus 2, and you have to, it is having minus 1 magnitude, it is having plus 1 magnitude. Okay, so minus of u of minus t by 2 is nothing but this one. Okay, add these two signals. Okay, so how to add these two signals? From t is equal to minus t to t is equal to plus 2. Okay, so here t is equal to minus 2, it is having the magnitude plus 1. Okay, from here. Next, in this range no magnitude of this signal. Okay, so u of t plus 2 minus u of t minus 2 can be written as t is equal to minus 2 having the magnitude 1 up to t is equal to 2. Next, exactly at t is equal to 2. For example, here it is t is equal to 2 and here it is t is equal to 2. What is the magnitude? Here it is minus 1, here it is plus 1. Okay, so plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So at exactly t is equal to t2, the magnitude is becoming 0. So here 0, here 0, here the magnitude is plus 1. Now this is a signal. Tell me, this signal is causal signal or non-causal signal? Okay, this signal is non-causal signal. Non-causal signal. Okay, because the signal is existing t greater than 0 and it is existing t less than 0. It is not a causal signal, it is not a anti-causal signal. Okay, then it will become non-causal. Okay, thank you.